Advantages of being colorblind. When we talk about colorblindness or read articles on this topic, color deficiency comes across only in a negative way. It feels like colorblind people are constantly in need of help with colors. Here are 5 advantages of being colorblind in our modern days. Colorblind people can save more money. Advertising is big business, no doubt about that. It's everywhere in all sorts of forms. Advertising has one big main goal. Its main goal is to convince you to buy products or services. Color meaning and the psychology of colors can powerfully impact people's behavior and decision making. People make subconscious judgments about a product within a few seconds. Color really plays into this initial impression. Advertising companies know certain colors, tints, hues, and shades that are meant to evoke emotion, and those emotions push us to take actions. The most common color used in advertising are red, green, orange, blue, and purple. Guess what? People with color deficiency can't see most of those colors in the same way others do. So advertisers can't pursue them to take action on buying unnecessary products. As a result, majority of the time, colorblind people only buy what they are truly looking for, which means they spend less and save more. Colorblind people actually see more details. Just imagine you are out and it's a beautiful sunset. You are probably staring at the colors in the sky, enjoying the scenery. I showed this image to some normal vision people and asked them to explain to me everything they see with the smallest details. What majority has replied was something like this. I see a wonderful sunset filled with beautiful colors like yellow, red, orange, and purple. There are dark bluish grayish clouds on the bottom too. I just noticed them, they are so pretty. Is it a bridge there? I see it now. And then I asked the same question from a person with color deficiency. It is a sunset or could be a sunrise. They are not so different for me. There is a bridge between fog and the clouds. I see some lights underneath the bridge, and it seems the picture was taken on top of the mountain. As you can see, normal vision people spend more time explaining the colors of the sunset and slowly move to explain details of the image. People with color deficiency were not interested in describing colors. They were mostly concentrated on seeing patterns and shapes, like those lights in the fog or even a small part of the mountain on the corner. I noticed that many normal vision people spend more time recognizing the bridge and the city lights at the bottom of the image. The same thing can also happen when a normal vision person goes to the forest and starts looking at all the colors around in nature, like leaves and flowers, while a colorblind person might see some insects or find something interesting in shades between the grass or on top of a tree. There are plenty of successful colorblind people out there. The finely tuned human brain has a keen ability to recognize a multitude of colors, but this basic ability may be robbing you of productivity. Somewhere in our developmental past, we probably had to be able to tell good fruits, nuts, and other food sources from the bad ones, and our ability to distinguish color played a big role in that. But now that the whole hunter-gatherer things isn't so hip, colors may be working against us. Intelligence is linked to the ability to ignore distractions, and colors can affect our concentration, while people with color deficiency get distracted less by colors. It helps them to focus on a specific task without distractions, which is a crucial part of any success. And here is a list of some of the successful people with color deficiency you might know. Colorblind people have exercised memory. What causes some people to lose their memory while others stay sharp as a tack? Genes play a role, but so do choices. Proven ways to protect memory include following a healthy diet, exercising regularly, not smoking, and so on. According to Harvard Health Publishing, living a mentally active life is important too. Just as muscles grow stronger with use, mental exercise helps keep mental skills and memory in tone. Do you remember the last time you memorized something, even a phone number? With technology ever at our fingertips, we don't need to commit much of anything to memory now. Learning a new language and other activities that strain your brain are better bets. Colors are like a new language for people with color deficiency, since they spend every day memorizing the colors of everything around them. Colors of flowers, fruits, or even their outfits, etc. People with color deficiency need to learn tricks to handle any color-related situations. Those of them that have color-related careers need to learn so much more about colors and how to use them correctly in their projects. From these examples, you can see how people with color deficiency use their memory way more on a regular basis than people with normal vision. Colorblind people waste less time. According to data collected by the US Census, the average person in the US spends about 10 hours shopping for consumer goods per month. Add a few hours to this number for transportation to go to the store and come back if all of your shopping is not online. Clothes are tricky because they often indicate the first impressions of people. Figuring out what to wear to work, especially in an office where everything needs to be clean and pressed. Your shoes need to match your belt and your shirt needs to match your pants, and all these other unspoken rules of fashion. We have all spent hours staring at our closets, drawers, cabinets, but not people with color deficiency. They usually wear simple colors such as black, white, gray, and blue, so they save lots of time. I should add, as much as it's a good thing to save time in life, we encourage colorblind people to be aware of the consequences of being a bad dresser. It can affect their relationship with others and even their position in a company. So, it was 5 advantages of being colorblind according to my research and my experience as a colorblind person. If you want to learn more about colorblindness, we have online courses for colorblind people, for children and parents, for adults, and for colorblind designers and artists. If you want to learn more about these courses, please check the link on the description. And if you like to buy one of the products that we showed in the video related to colorblindness, it's very good to increase awareness by having this product. Please check the link in the description and support colorblind designers.